Cordova with Core Chiropractic in Houston, Texas. Many people often wonder if we're able to adjust or treat pregnant women. And the answer is yes. Now most of the time when the baby is not quite showing yet, it's just like any other patient. Once the baby begins to grow, then it does become where we have to change up a little bit what we do. So we may modify the positions. We also in our office have a special table that the belly piece drops out, allowing the patient to continue to lay face down. And then the closer and closer that the patient gets to delivery, usually the more gentle we'll have to be, or we'll have to modify more and more of what we do. After the baby comes, typically we'll wait about a month before we can then adjust the patient again. So yes, it's absolutely fine, it's absolutely safe, and we treat pregnant patients all the time.